Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the groundbreaking yet challenging journey of Neuralink's first human brain implant patient. Noland Arbaugh, a 30-year-old quadriplegic, made history as the first person to receive Neuralink's brain implant, known as the Link. Arbaugh's life took a dramatic turn 8 years ago after a diving accident left him paralyzed from the shoulders down. In January 2024, Arbaugh underwent surgery to have the Neuralink device implanted. This tiny device, about the size of a stack of quarters, aims to connect the human brain directly to computers, opening up new possibilities for controlling digital devices with mere thoughts. Despite the initial promise, Arbaugh faced significant challenges. The implant's hair-thin electrodes, designed to pick up signals from his brain, began to detach over time, reducing the device's effectiveness. At one point, only about 15% of the threads remained in place, causing Arbaugh to lose control over the cursor he had previously mastered. This setback highlights the complexities and technical hurdles in developing reliable brain-computer interfaces. Neuralink's engineers have been working tirelessly to address these issues, adjusting the implant's design and placement to ensure better stability and signal transmission. Despite these challenges, Arbaugh remains optimistic. His dedication and the ongoing adjustments by Neuralink's team have led to some improvements. Neuralink has also received FDA approval to continue trials with additional patients, showing their commitment to refining this pioneering technology. Neuralink's journey is a testament to the incredible possibilities and difficulties in merging human biology with advanced technology. As they continue to innovate, the hope is that one day, devices like these will significantly improve the quality of life for people with severe neurological conditions. Stay tuned for more updates on this fascinating intersection of science and technology. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the latest tech developments.